Hello everyone. You all appreciated me a lot, so thank you so much. Today I would like to speak on preach. We should practice what we preach. Suppose if we want to change someone and we are habit of in it, and we want to advise someone and we are not habit of in it, then can we be honest with ourselves? I have remembered one quotation of Mahatma Gandhi. He said, if you want to change the world, start with yourself. And now I am going to tell you an incident which is related to preach. In a village there lived a lady with her son, and she was so upset because her son is used to have lots of jaggery. She tried to stop him, but he wouldn't listen. Then she decided to meet 10th Sikh Guru, Sri Guru Gobind Singh, and one day she went to have a darshan of Sri Guru Gobind Singh, and she took the child along with her, and she thought that the Guru's blessing he may stop having jaggery. It was her turn. Then she said, Guruji, my son eats lots of jaggery. Then Guru Gobind Singh said her to bring the child after a week. She went back and she was thinking that the Guru would perform some miracle and change her son's habit of having jaggery, and she went back and repeat same thing, Guruji, my son eats a lot of jaggery and please do something. Then Guru Gobind Singh looked at the boy and said, the child eat less of jaggery. Then woman was surprised and said to herself, if Guruji had to say only this thing, then why did he call me a week later? And Guru Gobind Singh could understand all things that was going on woman's mind. And Guru Gobind Singh called her and said, last time when you came to me, I used to have lots of jaggery, so I was not in position to advise your son to stop having jaggery. And last 7 days I have stopped having jaggery completely. Now I can give advice that we should practice what we preach. So it was an incident which is related to preach, and we should think about it. If we are giving advice someone and we are doing same thing which we shouldn't do, then we have no rights to say anything to anyone. So thank you so much.